How to open a Webull account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how you can open up a Webull stock account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Well, in order to open up a Webull account, all you have to do is first of all make sure to download the Webull app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you download the app, if you already have an account, you can tap on the login button or you can just tap on the sign up button over here and then simply enter your phone number that is associated and that you want to create an account with, and then just tap on the next option after agreeing to the terms and conditions. Once you enter your phone number, it's actually going to ask you to verify this puzzle, so go ahead and verify the captcha. Then it's actually going to also send a verification code, so wait until you receive the verification code on your mobile and then verify the code accordingly. So as you can see, I've successfully received the code. I'll just enter the code and all I need to do is simply choose a password for myself, so let me go ahead and do that as well. Once you choose a password for yourself, just tap on the sign up button from the bottom and your Webull account will be successfully created. And this is it on how you can actually open a Webull account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.